Hello everyone. In today's class, we will discuss how to find largest element in an array. Okay. So let's consider an array with elements 6, 5, 2, 10, 1. So in this list of elements, we have a largest element 10. So we have to return 10. Okay. So how to solve it? So let's start with a brute force approach. How to solve it? Okay. The brute force approach is, so the first step is just we have to sort this array. Okay. So if we sort this array, how the elements looks like. So elements after sorting, right? 1, 2, 5, 6, 10. Okay. Once we sort, right, we will get the elements like this. Correct. Now we can clearly see the biggest element, that is the largest element, is there at the last position. So we can return that is the last element. How we can return? So if you find the length of array, right, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So array of 5 index number, right? Just that will give you the biggest, that is the largest element. Okay. This is the first approach. Correct. So what is the time complexity for this approach is, there is order of n log n for sorting. Correct. So obviously this is not a good approach. The other approach is optimal approach that we can do with the for loop. Okay. How we can do is, so let's take these elements. There is, okay, let's just remove the elements. This is sorting elements. We just remove the sorting elements. Yeah, now solve it with optimal approach. Here, right, we will take one variable, that is largest. Fine. We will take first element itself, largest. Correct. Then we will take one for loop. Okay. I equals to, take 0, or you can compare from first element or second element. Anything is fine. I equal to 0. I less than the length of that array, and I plus plus. Just we will check one condition. If the element, that is a of I, okay, is greater than largest. If you found any element, right, this is I greater than largest, then largest equal to a of I, this element. Okay. Close the if, close the for loop. That's all. Okay. Let's iterate this. So let's take the elements. What are the elements now? 6, 5, 2, 10, and 1. Okay. Let's take index numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And what is the n value? 5. This is the size of that. Correct. Now, first, what is the largest? A of 0, that is 6. Correct. Now, I equals to 0, 0 less than, what is the n? 5. Condition true. Enter. A of 5, A of 0. What is A of 0? 6 greater than. So, largest. 6 greater than 6. Condition is false. No need to update largest. Go to I plus plus. I becomes 1. 1 less than 5. Condition true. True means enter. A of 5. What is A of 5? A of 1. That is 5. Correct. Is 5 greater than 6? No. Condition false. I plus plus. I becomes 2. That is A of 2. What is A of 2? A of 2 value is 2. Correct. Is 2 greater than 6? No. Condition false. I plus plus. I becomes now how much? Just I will keep here. 3 less than 5. Condition is true. Enter. A of 3. So what is A of 3? 10. Okay. 10 greater than 6. Condition is true. True means largest equals to, we are updating A of I. So what is the value of A of I here? 10. Correct. Then I plus plus. I becomes how much? 4. What is A of 4 means? Here 1. 1 less than 6. Condition false. I plus plus. I becomes 5. 5 less than 5. Condition is false here, so it will come out. That's it. So what is the final largest value? 10. So we will be writing 10, right? So what is the time complexity for this? Just order of n. It's better than order of n log n. We are using only single for loop, correct? So let's code this logic in Eclipse. So let me create in a Java class. So let me take an array equals to, let's take 6, 5, 2, 10, 1. Okay. The first approach what I have discussed is arrays dot sort, right? We have to sort it. The array will pass it. Okay. So once we sort into the elements, after sorting, we'll print the elements. Arrays dot toString of array. Correct. To print that, we have to print the last element, right? It is the largest element. Yes. Okay. How we can find array of? We have to find the last element, right? That is a dot length minus 1. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Length is 5, right? A of 4. Okay. Let's run it. Right. After sorting, we got 1, 2, 5, 6, 10, and largest element is 10. This is the first approach. Correct. So next, let's discuss about the second approach. That is optimal way using single for loop. So this will take order of n log n time complexity. Correct. Let's take optimal approach, that is by using a single for loop. So initially, just initialize one element in largest equal to a of 0. The first element itself will consider the largest element. Let's use a for loop I equal to 0, I less than a dot length I plus plus. If my array, any array element, right, if it is greater than largest, assign largest equal to that element, and come out of the for loop, print the largest element. Store variable called largest. Run this program. We got it, right? So this is the optimal approach, that it will take order of n time complexity. Thanks for watching this video.